In this video, we're making this creamy mango ice cream that is absolutely delicious and easy to make, and it does not require an ice cream maker. These are all the ingredients you're going to need, so let's get started. First, we're going to just prepare a custard base. So you're going to add your milk and the corn flour to a vessel. You can also use vanilla custard powder instead of the corn flour. And then turn on the flame on low and just keep stirring till it thickens up. And then once it is thick and coats the back of your spoon, you're going to turn off the flame and let it cool completely. Now take your mango and add it to a blender jar. You're also going to use some condensed milk, and I'm using the Nestle condensed milk. Add this as well to the blender jar. And I'm also using Amul fresh cream. You can use any brand fresh cream, and you're going to need 200 ml of that. Here my custard has cooled completely and you can see the consistency, and you're going to also add that to the blender jar. Then add in the vanilla and close the lid. And then you're going to blend this till it is nice and creamy. Once that is done, you're going to transfer the thick mixture to a big bowl. And then place this in the freezer for 2 hours. Now make sure you start this early in the morning because you are going to need to blend this every 2 hours. So every 2 hours, you're going to blend this using an electric mixer. Now cover and again place in the freezer, and after 2 hours, you're going to again blend this. So that's a total of 4 hours. You're going to repeat this, so again place it in the freezer for 2 hours, and after a total of 6 hours, again beat it with an electric mixer. What you're essentially doing is just preventing any ice from forming. After another 2 hours, so that is a total of 8 hours, you're going to again beat this, and this one is for the last time. You can see that the ice cream has nearly frozen and thickened up, but we have prevented any icy bits from forming in there. Finally, add some chopped mangoes to this, and this is completely optional, but I love some fruit pieces in my ice cream. Fold those in gently. And then transfer this mixture into a freezer-safe container. And put on a lid, and again freeze this for about 3 to 4 hours, or you can just keep it in overnight. And your ice cream is ready to be served. This one turns out so creamy, and because you've been beating it every few hours, there is no ice formed. You can honestly follow this process for any ice cream and make smooth ice cream every time without any ice cream maker. This recipe turns out perfectly every time. You really need to give this a try this summer season. As you can see, the consistency of the ice cream is so creamy and smooth. And the mango flavor really shines through. I hope you give this recipe a try, and I'll see you soon with a new one. Bye!